Hi, my name is Xiaofeng Wang. This is my presentation of International Hospitality Operations Management. In this presentation, I will illustrate three issues. The first one is assessing the impact and importance of one aspect of the operational management concept on hotel organization strategies. Secondly, applying 5 performance objectives into my chosen hospitality or service operation. Finally, provide some recommendations for it to improve. For the part 1, I choose the quality aspect for the operation management and use Marriott International as my example. Marriott International is an American multinational diversified hospitality company that manages and fronts a broad portfolio of hotels and related lodging facilities. It is the largest hotel chain in the world. Definition of quality. There are many different meanings of quality, but in operations management, quality can be defined as products or service provided by an operation which could continually meet the needs and the expectations of the customer. Besides, it can be the gap between the customer's expectation and perception. Quality is important in attracting new customers, developing lasting relationships with existing ones, and controlling company's costs as well. One of the reasons I like Marriott is that once I traveled with my friends and lived in the Marriott Hotel, it was the travel peak season and there were a lot of people checking in. When people start to feel annoyed, the manager comes forward to explain and provide some small gifts for the waiting people. They established the confusion situation immediately, which made me feel pretty good service. As you can see, this diagram shows different aspects of quality, and I will talk about how it represented on Marriott International. Firstly, the quality needs to fit their purpose. As Marriott said in their purpose, they are focused on customers, have innovation on their hotel, and they are willing to change. Secondly, purpose not only for conformance, but also have design. For the design, Marriott provides personalized and truly different experience because Marriott has many different hotel brands with different styles. They said, whatever your preference, we can't wait to welcome you. About the conformance, as early as 2014, the Marriott Hotel received many glory awards, such as World's Most Admired Companies. Thirdly, talking about reliability, Marriott has many diversity awards and achievements, in addition to their long-term relationships with many diverse partners. Next, I'm going to talk about 5 performance objectives and how it shows on Starbucks in the Coventry City Center. At the beginning, I made a chart about Starbucks' performance according to my experience. As you can see, the flexibility is quite high and the costs are not high enough. So, in the aspect of the cost, it is about being productive. Even if the company don't compete on price, they still try to control the cost, make it as low as possible. Meanwhile, satisfy customers' expectations. However, compared to the other coffee shops like Costa or Nero, price of Starbucks coffee are more higher. I think the reason why is that Starbucks choose the best beans to make out coffee. Dependability is about being on time. To timely complete the customer's expectation, this is a good thing for Starbucks because they have self-help desk in store. Customer can add extra material what they want, and staff can start next order more faster. Flexibility is about being able to change. Companies should introduce new or modified products. Starbucks done it very well because they have customization. Customers can order anything they want or they don't want. Besides, Starbucks have seasonal new products each year. It is different flavor and performance drink. Quality is being ranked. It means if firms give better service or product, it will be more high quality. For me, most of the time, Starbucks drinks are in line with my expectation, and only rarely make poor quality drinks. But if you give feedback to the staffs, they will give you a new drink. Speed is being fast. Faster deliver for service or product. Starbucks have many payment methods, and they do drink very fast. So even when there are a lot of people, it only takes about 5 minutes to give you a drink. Next part, we will go into recommendations. I suggested that they can use combined improvement. Breakthrough improvement is about significant change in store, like new theme store or more efficient management methods. Continuous improvement could be enhanced customer experience from the detail. So they can set up student discount or student date. It can attract more young age group to consume. Confirm the customer's taste to make sure the product meets their expectation. Avoid mistake in doing drink. It can enhance customer experience. Self-help order like McDonald's did and train employees to speed up their work line productivity. It can reduce time in queuing. In conclusion, I've evaluated the importance of quality to Marriott International. However, not only quality, other aspects of operations management are important as well. They will significantly affect the company's performance, and are using 5 performance objectives to analyze the Starbucks and providing some recommendations to improve. Organizations should pay more attention on operation management and 5 performance objectives. That's the end. Thank you for your listening. This is my reference list.